Due to the massive hype around NFTs, more and more people want to create NFTs themselves. I have already covered things such as how to create an NFT collection or draw them before on this channel, but today I want to show you guys how you can literally turn any picture into NFT art. This includes a couple of steps, so make sure to stick around to see the whole thing. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and consider to subscribe if you haven't already, and I would really appreciate that. With that said, let's get right into the video. Okay, so since we are not really creating or drawing an NFT, you obviously need something you want to turn into an NFT. For that, you can basically use whatever you desire, such as you could just find a picture of you or of your pet, just a picture of nature, really anything. But make sure it's your picture so you don't have any problems with copyright and that stuff. For the purpose of this video though, I'm going to search up an image on the internet and just going to use that and turn that into an NFT. Now, if we have our picture, technically we could just take this picture right here and upload it to a marketplace such as OpenSea and mint it on the Ethereum blockchain, and then we will have our NFT. But if we suppose that we actually want to make some money with this NFT we are going to create, we need to do something to the picture first. Because these paintings or comic-like characters tend to do way better in selling than just simple pictures. Because what would anybody want your face as an NFT for? But if it's a comic face, that's a whole nother thing. So what I discovered that is really nice to do here is to go to a website where you can edit this picture. And one of those websites I found was Be Funky. It's the first thing that comes up when you search picture to art, and I just searched that, and I actually tried it before I'm doing this video right now, and it actually works. So what you want to do is search that up and we can get right in here. So as you guys can see, I'm in here, and here we can just basically sign up with our email and basic info stuff, just with stuff everybody should have. So that is really simple. Just create an account and we can get right to work here. So I'm just gonna go and create now, and here we are going to use the photo editor. And yeah, now we need our picture, because as you guys can see, we can just drop it in here and then we will edit it. So at this point, I'm just gonna search something up. I'm just gonna search for man on the beach. As you guys can see, I searched it before. But I think that will work great. So you just find a picture you would like, or not you, because as I said, you guys should have your own picture. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use a picture like this. Then I think this one looks great. It got the lines over. So I know I searched for man on the beach, but I just found this picture of nature, and that should work fine too. So I'm just gonna save this image for now. Now that we have our picture, we wanna go back to our photo editor and just drop that right in here. Boom, as easy as that. Now you guys can see over here that popped some different things up, such as to crop it, resize, rotate. So we can do lots of things with this. I'm just going to click on background now. So for example, we could I think just remove the background, or unfortunately that is for premium members or something. I'm not going to use any of those edits now because I want to use some effects, such as, I have to find it right now. Okay, I found it now. When you go on the site to Artsy, you will get this, and here you can just turn it into an image that looks like a drawing, and we are just gonna try that right now. And I think that is just great. Look at this, it looks like somebody drew it, and that will work fine with a lot of pictures. And I really recommend using this tool to turn these pictures into nice drawing-like things. Yeah, this one looks good too. That is just great. In case you're not impressed by this, there are obviously some different art styles too. So you can just, try out some different things. This one looks fire too. And see what best fits your picture. So I'm just gonna try out some different things too now. And here's the one I originally meant. This is Cartoonizer. I think this one works really well with some people in it because it makes them look like they're literally drawn. But test that out yourself and see what best works for you. Okay guys, once you have found the effect or filter you want to use for your picture, we are basically ready to export this picture, and for that we have to pay something because we have to upgrade our account, and it's I think $4.99. But I mean, technically I'm not going to tell you to do this, but technically you could just screenshot it, and yeah. Now I'm just gonna crop it so that we actually only have the artwork, and I'm even gonna crop this logo out of that so that we have a clean picture. But I mean, you can leave it in because it's not really that big and that catchy, but I'm just going to do it like that. And yeah, just like that I have my painting. And what we want to do next obviously is to head over to OpenSea. Here on OpenSea, as you guys can see, I created an example account I'm going to use for these videos. And yeah, if you log in on OpenSea, that's pretty easy. Or to create an account, you just have to connect a wallet, and I connected MetaMask. And if you don't have a wallet, you can create your wallet in 5 minutes. So you have to have these basic things, and then we just have this account, and you should see exactly this. Then we are just gonna click on create, and here we can just basically begin with creating our NFT. And as you guys can see here we have to import our file that we just created on this photo editor, and I'm just quickly gonna do that. And just like that, I have imported the file. Pretty easy, just get the file off your computer. Now we have to call it something. And I'm just gonna call it, I don't know, Catchy Cliffs or something like that. You just come up with a name that you think might fit the picture and maybe is, catchy in some way. And yeah, I think that will work fine. And now we can add a description. So we can just say something like, this is a, and just like that, we have a description. You guys might, if you want to really sell this NFT, it's probably important to have a longer description than this, and yeah, really describe something and get the buyer interested in your piece of art. But I think that will work fine for this video now. Okay, now that we have the description done, we can move on to the next thing, and that is the collection part of this. And we can skip this part because obviously this is not a collection but a single item. And yeah, we don't need some special properties and traits, level stats and that stuff. That is really only necessary if you have a collection. So we're just gonna skip that, and the supply will obviously be 1, so you can just leave it like that. Then the next thing we are going to look at is the blockchain, and here we can either create it on Polygon or Ethereum. And as you guys can see, Polygon is a gas-free blockchain that works with Ethereum, and it's really great because it actually is not with these huge gas prices. So we are just gonna use that. And now it's really just the last thing we need to do is to click on the create button. Now it says wait, so we are just going to wait, obviously. So yeah, just wait. It might take a couple of seconds or minutes. And just like that, we created our NFT, Catchy Cliffs, and yeah, we can sell it for some money now. And as you guys can see, it looks great here. It really looks like a painting, as I said. I can just click on sell here, and just like that, you can turn any picture into an NFT and sell it on OpenSea, for example. And if you have a really great idea or a great picture that you turn into like a nice oil painting or something like that, you can make some serious money with that. For example, I could list this one for 1 ETH now, and somebody might end up buying it. So if you have been wanting to create your own NFT, definitely go for it. You guys just saw how easy it was to create this NFT. You just have to have an OpenSea account, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. You don't have to use the same photo editor I did. You don't have to use OpenSea to sell your NFT. You can use some marketplaces such as Soul R2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, as I already said, because this really helps the channel to grow and help out other people. Also, if you have any questions, as always, just catch me in the comment section. I'm really trying to reply to every single comment. With that said, see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.